Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to see your Gmail password on a Samsung phone easily. Okay, let's get started. First open your Google Play Store and tap on search bar, search Gmail and tap on Gmail and check update your Gmail app. You can see my Gmail update showing. Now update your Gmail app. Okay, and go back, waiting a few minutes and go to your Gmail app and now tap on profile icon and select your Gmail. Okay, back and tap on three line option, scroll down, tap on settings, select your Gmail, tap on manage your Google account and scroll down, security and sign in, scroll down and password manager and tap on your Gmail or Google account and enter your screen lock or finger lock. See your Gmail password. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.